Have you ever walked into a home that instantly made you feel calm, comfortable, and completely at peace? That's the magic of timeless vintage style. It's not about chasing trends, it's about creating a home filled with warmth, history, and meaningful details that never go out of fashion. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Decor Index. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we're exploring 100 vintage style home decor ideas featuring beautiful decorating inspiration, classic furniture, charming accessories, cozy textures, and elegant styling tips that will help you create a home you will love for years to come. Before we begin, I'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments where you're watching from and what your favorite vintage decorating style is. Farmhouse, cottage, French country, English cottage, or classic traditional. Your idea makes this community even more inspiring. Now enjoy the inspiration and let's discover timeless vintage decorating ideas that will fill your home with beauty, comfort, and lasting charm. Every timeless vintage home begins with calming colors: soft ivory, warm white, cream, sage green, dusty blue, muted blush, gentle lavender, and warm beige create a peaceful atmosphere that never feels outdated. Layering these soothing shades makes every room feel brighter, larger, and naturally inviting, while allowing antique furniture and decorative accent to become the stars of the space. Vintage decorating is all about furniture with personality. Look for solid wood cabinets, elegant sideboard, farmhouse dining tables, carved coffee tables, vintage dressers, and graceful display hutches. A gently etched finish and natural imperfections give each piece warmth and authenticity that modern furniture often cannot match. A timeless home doesn't need to look like a museum. Blend treasured vintage finds with modern comfort to create a balanced interior. Pair an antique cabinet with a simple linen sofa, place an old mirror above a modern console, or style vintage pottery alongside contemporary books. This combination keeps your home fresh while preserving its classic charm. Walls are the perfect place to showcase personality. Hang antique mirrors, botanical artwork, vintage landscape, raised flower frames, old family photographs, oven baskets, and decorative plates. Layering different frame sizes create a quality over time appearance that add richness and elegance. Open shelves become beautiful focal points when styled thoughtfully. Display vintage books, ceramic pictures, brass candlesticks, wicker baskets, porcelain dishes, glass bottles, and small family artwork. Mixing heights, textures, and natural materials create shelves that feel effortless and inviting. Fresh greenery makes vintage interiors feel alive. Arrange seasonal flowers in ceramic pitchers, display eucalyptus branches in glass bottles, or fill oven baskets with dried lavender and wildflowers. Natural elements soften every room and bring fresh seasonal beauty throughout the year. Textures create comfort, combine linen curtains, cotton throws, crocheted blankets, embroidered cushions, woven baskets, jute rugs, distressed wood, ceramic pottery, and etched metals. These layers give every room depth while maintaining a relaxed vintage atmosphere. Design a peaceful space where you can slow down. Add a comfortable armchair, a vintage side table, a warm reading lamp, stacked books, soft blankets, and a small vase of flowers. A cozy reading nook become a quiet retreat that reflects the heart of vintage living. The most beautiful vintage homes tell your personal stories. Display inherited treasures, handmade coins, travel souvenirs, old clocks, treasured books, family heirlooms, and meaningful collections. These details make your home unique and create an atmosphere filled with warmth, history, and love. style is not about following trends. It's about creating a home that feels timeless, welcoming, and deeply personal. Every carefully chosen antiques, every soft fabric, every wooden pages, and meaningful decorations add another layer of comfort and beauty. By mixing classic elements with thoughtful modern touches, you can design a home that feels elegant today and will remain beautiful for years to come. Thank you so much for watching. If this vintage decorating ideas inspired you, please like this video, subscribe for more timeless home decoration, and share it with someone who loves cozy interiors. Don't forget to leave a comment telling us which vintage decorating idea was your favorite and which room you were excited to transform first. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating a home that tells a beautiful story.